What's happening, folks? More sketches, how to draw a nose. Okay, so easy steps to break up a nose in pieces in order for you to draw it as a beginner. Let's get it. We're gonna start with a line like so, and draw a circle on the bottom of that line like so. Another line across like so. One line on the bottom of the circle that I drew. And now we're going to draw two smaller circles. Okay. Look more like ovals, that's fine. As long as they're both kind of the same size. And we want to accomplish the goal. So from here on out, we're going to connect all the pieces, okay? So you got your three circles. Two of them are similar in size, one of them is bigger. I'm going to start at the bottom of the line that I drew, the one below the big circle, and just sort of connect it to the nose, or connect it to the circle on the right. Okay. And I'm going to shade this piece in a little bit more. It's going to represent the opening of the nose. Okay. And now I'm going to draw two curves around the circles on the end. Okay, just like so. So the biggest key of drawings is you can sort of recover on the spot. So don't panic too much if things aren't exactly perfect. Okay, I'm going to draw two lines here. And sort of attach it to this circle. Okay, and from here on out, we're gonna erase a bunch of lines. We're gonna erase this one, this one. Okay, looking more and more like a nose. But the reason you want to have guidelines is because it gives you a reference. You know what I mean? From here on out, we're just going to shade. Okay? We're going to shade the bottom of the nose. Okay? Sides. Okay? So again, I'm not trying to make this like a perfect nose. I'm trying to make it something that anybody can do. Okay. So all noses have different shapes and sizes. So according to the nose's size, you can make it look slightly different. You know, but that's basically it. How to draw a nose. So just to review what I did, the first step I basically had was to draw the line in the middle, then draw the circle on the bottom, draw a line just a bit ahead of the end of the circle, draw two circles to each side of the large circle, which were the small circles, draw a little line under the big circle, connect that line to the small circles to the sides, make the part that's going to be the opening of the nose darker, and after that we'll just erase a bunch of guidelines to make it look like a nose after we shade it, which we're doing now. So that's about it. So obviously this is not the best nose in the world, but it's a nose, okay? This is something basic, easy, that you can follow. If you want more videos like this, make sure to like, share, subscribe to the channel. Stay tuned for more tutorials. Definitely look forward to doing more of these, and let me know what things you want to draw. I can cover a lot of basic drawings in order for you to be able to draw one day. So like I said, again, like, share, subscribe. Stay tuned for more drawing tutorials. I definitely look forward to doing these correction. Let me know what things you want to see. Let me know what things you're struggling with, and I'll definitely cover videos of it. But other than that, God bless all of you, and I'll see you next video.